In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FXPesa to MT5. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your portal on FXPesa, you must have your account. So either a demo or a live account. And then after that, what I would recommend is you could either go to platforms here on the left, and then you could download MT5, so MetaTrader 5 here for your system onto your computer and set that up. Or if you already do have your MT5 installed in your computer like me, you can use that as well. Now, once you actually create an account on FXPesa, you'll receive the login credentials directly, okay? So they're gonna pop up on your screen, and then you'll be able to access your password, your server, and your demo account ID, which is also the login as well. Now, you could also go into your email because whenever you create an account, you'll receive your credentials into there as well. So after you have those, you want to go to the MT5, go to File, top left, click on Open an Account, and then here, this is the most important part. You actually don't want to look for FXPesa, you want to look for EGM Securities, okay? So just type in EGM, do find your company, and it's going to find the EGM Securities Limited over here. When you do that, click on Next. And then for the next page, you want to click on Connect with existing trade account. And then in here, you want to first type in your demo account or real account ID. For me, I have a demo account, so I'm going to type in the ID, which is usually a number. And then you'll also receive the password. So for me, this is the password. And then here, the server as well. So I'm going to select the demo server because that's the one I got. And then you want to click on the Finish button over here. And just like this, you're going to be connected inside your FXPesa account on MT5. They are just using this EGM securities to actually connect through. So that's how it is. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.